Hey guys, good day to you. Today I would like to share how to use this canva and then create this image. So first of all, we have to log into your Canva free account or pro account. So and then in this tutorial I will choose to the YouTube thumbnail for this design. So first of all, now you can see in your blank page, okay, in your blank page. So now what I want to do is you just searching about the elements, and then your element just searching about one lady like this, as you see. Then I just right click and then set as an image, as a background, and then double click, adjust this photo like this. Okay, now once I select the position I want, just come to image and then edit image. Edit image here, we can see this area, so we can adjust the saturation becoming negative 100. Then will be look like this. Okay, now what I want to do is duplicate one more for my further use. So now I just come in here, select the element is circle, and this circle I want it to cover the face. Okay, make this circle bigger, add this photo, okay, like this. Okay, maybe like this. Okay, then I change the color becoming black. Okay, once again I right click, duplicate one more. This time I change the color becoming non transparency like this. Transparency like this. Then this time you can change the color line, and then change the line becoming maybe about, I think about 40 as I want. Then you can see this circle will be look like this. So now I just put it there and then make this circle more bigger. Okay, then make this circle like this area. Okay, and then make a little bit smaller like this. Then I can duplicate one more. This circle I will make more bigger to cover, and then put on there, and then duplicate one more, make this circle more bigger like this. So now the first picture was done at this what I want. So now this blackout picture, I click the background picture and then right click and then delete it. So this is what I want. So now you just need to download this first page. And then if you're the map user, you can use the magic wand to remove it. The magic wand is at this top corner here. See this top corner here. Okay, you can click and then come to magic wand. Magic wand is over here. Magic wand. Then you can come to this black color and then press the button delete. Press the button delete. Or if you are the Canva free user, you can come to this pixeler and then you can use this one is a free online editor tools, and just upload this photo, and then you can come to this magic wand, magic selection over here. Then you can click this one, add to select, then just click the black color, and then press the button delete, and then some of the play as well, click and press delete. So now this is what I want. Okay, now once again, come to the file, export as PNG, then back to this Canva, upload the picture. So this one is a previous time I'm create already. So now I just upload this one. This one is pixel, remove that, then use this one. Okay, undo first. So before that, I just duplicate one more for page number 3 for further use. So page number 2, I will use this one, and then scroll up. Like this. Okay, now before I do anything, just come to this padlock to lock it over here. Must come to lock it. Okay, so after lock it, then I will download this page number 2 and then remove the white color area. Okay, now come to download. I want to download page number 2 only. Current page number 2. Okay, click and then click download. Okay, once I click download, then I can going back to Pixlr E, open the file, click open image. This image is just now uploaded. Then use the magic, the when select as just now the tooth, like this. Then just click white color area, this one, and press the button delete. So this is what I want. Okay, so now go to file, export as PNG, then going back to Canva. Now we're going to page number 3. So now I need to upload the photo I edit at the Pixlr E. Okay, upload. So now this one just overlay like this, and then scroll up the photo like this, and then this time I will make this one a little bit bigger like this. You can see this is the effect, or you can reduce. Okay, you can reduce the size like this. Okay, reduce the size like this. Okay, after that, you just come to the edit image, and then you can click shadows, apply the glow, and then this is the outcome. Apply. Okay, then this one it just, okay, sorry about that. I adjust to here, adjust up to there. Okay, this is a look like. Or you can use, you also can use this blackout picture, and then you adjust this blackout picture like this, and then click done. Also no problem. So this is today I'm sharing. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a like and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video soon. Bye bye.